In our fast-paced world, habits play a crucial role in shaping who we are and how we live our lives. From the moment we wake up to the time we go to bed, our daily routines are filled with habits, some beneficial, others not so much. Understanding the power of these habits can be a game changer, allowing us to take control of our actions and ultimately our destinies. In this video, we'll dive into the transformative concepts from The Power of Habit by Charles Duhigg, exploring how habits are formed and how they can be changed. We encourage you to reflect on your own habits as we discuss the significance of cues, routines, and rewards in habit formation. By the end of this video, you'll gain valuable insights into how to identify your existing habits, replace negative ones with positive alternatives, and create a framework for lasting change. So, whether you're looking to boost productivity, improve your health, or enhance your relationships, stick around to discover how the power of habit can lead you to a more fulfilling life. Understanding habits. To truly grasp the power of habits, we need to delve into the science behind how they are formed. At the core of this process is what's known as the habit loop, which consists of three key components: cue, routine, and reward. The cue is a trigger that initiates the habit. The routine is the behavior itself, and the reward is the benefit we gain from completing the routine. This loop creates a neurological pattern in our brains, making habits automatic over time. In The Power of Habit, Charles Duhigg emphasizes that understanding this loop is essential for personal growth. By recognizing the cues that lead to our routines, we can consciously alter our behaviors and replace negative habits with positive ones. For instance, if stress triggers a habit of snacking, identifying that cue allows us to develop healthier coping mechanisms. By understanding the science behind habits, we empower ourselves to take control of our lives. This knowledge not only helps us break free from unproductive patterns, but also paves the way for cultivating habits that align with our goals and values, ultimately leading to personal transformation. Identifying your habits. Recognizing your current habits is the first step toward meaningful change. To kickstart this process, we encourage you to keep a habit journal for 1 week. This simple yet effective tool will help you track your daily behaviors, providing insight into what you do automatically without even thinking about it. As you document your habits, consider categorizing them into positive and negative. Positive habits might include exercising, reading, or practicing gratitude, while negative habits could involve excessive screen time, procrastination, or unhealthy eating. This categorization will not only clarify which habits serve you well, but also highlight those that may be holding you back. Self-awareness is crucial in the journey of habit change. By understanding your habits, you can identify patterns and triggers that influence your behavior. This awareness empowers you to make informed decisions about which habits to maintain, modify, or eliminate. Remember, the goal isn't to judge yourself, but to gain clarity. So grab that journal, start observing, and take the first step toward transforming your habits for a better, more fulfilling life. Developing new, positive habits can be an exciting journey, and it all starts with the concept of starting small. Instead of overwhelming yourself with lofty goals, focus on achievable steps. For instance, if you want to incorporate exercise into your routine, begin with just 5 minutes a day. This small commitment makes it easier to build momentum and gradually increase your efforts over time. Consistency is key in habit formation. Research shows that repeating a behavior regularly helps solidify it into your daily routine. Aim to practice your new habit at the same time each day, whether it's morning meditation or evening reading. This regularity reinforces the habit loop, making it more automatic. Additionally, consider finding an accountability partner to support you on this journey. Sharing your goals with someone who encourages you can significantly boost your motivation. Whether it's a friend, family member, or a group, having someone to check in with can make a world of difference. Together, you can celebrate successes and navigate challenges, making the process of creating new habits not only effective, but also enjoyable. Overcoming negative habits can be challenging, but with the right techniques, it's entirely possible. The first step is to identify the triggers that lead to these bad habits. Triggers can be emotional, environmental, or situational cues that prompt you to engage in unwanted behaviors. By recognizing these triggers, you can develop strategies to avoid or manage them effectively. Once you've identified your triggers, consider replacing negative habits with positive alternatives. For example, if you tend to snack mindlessly while watching TV, try substituting that habit with a healthier option, like preparing a bowl of fruit or engaging in a different activity, such as knitting or journaling. This not only helps you break the cycle, but also reinforces a more positive routine. It's essential to remember that breaking habits takes time, patience, and persistence. You may encounter setbacks along the way, but don't be discouraged. Each small step you take toward change is a victory. Celebrate your progress, no matter how minor, and stay committed to your goals. With dedication and the right strategies, you can successfully break free from negative habits and create a healthier, more fulfilling lifestyle. Sustaining new habits over time requires intentional effort and a proactive approach. One effective strategy is to track your progress regularly. Keeping a record of your achievements not only helps you stay accountable, but also provides a visual representation of your journey. Whether you use a journal, an app, or a simple checklist, seeing how far you've come can be incredibly motivating. Celebrating small victories is equally important in maintaining your habits. Acknowledging even the tiniest accomplishments reinforces your commitment and boosts your confidence. Whether it's treating yourself to a favorite activity or sharing your success with friends, celebrating these milestones can create a positive feedback loop that encourages you to keep going. Lastly, it's essential to revisit and adjust your goals as needed. Life is dynamic, and your circumstances may change, which can impact your ability to maintain certain habits. Regularly assessing your goals allows you to adapt them to fit your current lifestyle and priorities. This flexibility ensures that your habits remain relevant and achievable, making it easier to sustain them over the long term. With these strategies in place, you can create lasting change and enjoy the benefits of your new habits. In this video, we've explored the vital role that habits play in shaping our lives and how understanding them can lead to personal growth. We discussed the habit loop, cue, routine, and reward, and how recognizing this cycle is essential for both forming new habits and breaking negative ones. Remember, starting small and being consistent are key strategies for developing positive habits, while identifying triggers and replacing bad habits with healthier alternatives can help you overcome challenges. As you embark on your journey of habit transformation, keep in mind the importance of tracking your progress, celebrating small victories, and adjusting your goals as needed. These practices will not only help you maintain your new habits, but also keep you motivated along the way. If you found this content helpful, we encourage you to subscribe to our channel for more insights on personal development and habit formation. Don't forget to like this video and share it with friends who might benefit from these strategies. Your engagement helps us create more valuable content for you. Thank you for watching, and here's to building a better you through the power of habits.